Hi and welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to do something very different. I've said that before. Today I was out at the Amazon event in London, the AWS event, so I'm just going to talk about that and just kind of sum up some of the things that I found out today, some of the shocking things, some of the normal things, and a couple of things that might help you and maybe make you think a little bit different. So first of all, it was an event in central London. Lovely event. Lots of people, 600 people must be. And Amazon are running different things throughout the week. This was today was AI, Gen AI, and data. Not really my thing, the data. Gen AI, yes, but not really the data. But I went along anyway because I wanted to find out what Amazon were doing. Free food all the way through and drinks, which surprised me as well. They're really looking after people. They spend a lot of money. So they're really looking to invest. And obviously, they're one of the top companies. You'd probably say one of the top 5, 10 companies that are investing in AI and doing it every day. Obviously, AWS is helping a lot of startups. They did a lot of stuff about that as well. I should have mentioned that, but okay. So it was a great event. Well done, Amazon. I think you've done a fantastic job at nurturing and building an environment for startups and for people who think about doing startups as well. I went to a great little break-off workshop as well, which was it had a venture capitalist there, a CEO and someone from Amazon, and that was excellent. Really good insight into some of the things there. One of the key takeaways from that, so I'll say about that now, was when you're starting off, they look at if you are really kind of looking at beg, borrow, and steal from different places. And one of the key things that you don't need a full-time CTO. You can hire, say, a fifth of one, because a lot of these CTOs have like 5 or 6 companies they're working with. I thought that was a great idea. Or a finance person, or whatever you need. First of all, trying to get my notes here, keep live while I'm talking. So that was great. Lots of really, really good things in there today. Not really my thing, as I say, data's not really my strong point, but it was really good. BT were there, and that was one of the things that was shocking. BT really were at the forefront of AI, and they're a telecoms company, and they're very well funded and technical. I remember them being one of the largest purchasers of Cisco routers back when, and lots of other things. And they've always been kind of there as much as they can be as a telecoms company. But every single part of that company now is using or starting with AI. And one of the things the top guy said was they've got 1,000 AI apps they're developing right now. It's like 1,000. Which is mad. So from finance to customer services to health and safety to every single part of their business. Excuse me. So that was really amazing to hear, and that really shocked me about how far they are and how much they're really investing in it, and it's really part of the company. So that was good. There was BBC there as well, and they were talking a lot about how to develop AI within the company and the top-down problems they're having with, not problems, but introducing AI as an idea to people, and how it takes a long time for it to percolate and develop within the company so people actually see a benefit. And they've tried lots of different things. A lot of these companies said they've tried lots of things and it's not worked. And then they had one thing that was like, wow, it saved us 1,000 days, whatever. Like Amazon said, by using Q, their coding company, they've saved 1,000 working hours for coders because one of the things that every coder hates doing, you have to tell me if you're a coder, is upgrading code from one to another, and they use it a lot for that because it's boring, takes a lot of time and a lot of money to do it. So that was really cool. The other thing that shocked me is how much Amazon are working with other companies and how they develop other companies within their systems for the benefit of all. I thought this was really cool. And they said about Anthropic, and I know you're going to say, oh, yeah, they invested in Anthropic. They did, but they still got their own LLMs and all different things that they have for every single part of the AI process and build and everything else. But it just was a very fresh kind of look, like, yeah, we're going to work with them. We're going to work with them. ChatGPT you can put in there. And yeah, I thought it was a really sort of great view of everything and a great mindset to go forward. So I thought that was really cool. And one of the things they said, which I've said about 3,000 times, for different image generators and video generators, horses for courses. And they said they're developing a lot of apps now where it has 5 or 6 products within it. So you can test the different results, or you can send certain jobs to certain things, or they can work together. Now that was interesting, how these systems would work together and basically feed off each other to get a result that you want. I think that is it. It was a bit of a quick blast through my day, but it was very interesting. As I said, not my stuff, data, definitely not. More Gen AI I was going for, but it really gave me an insight of a lot of different things, and I just thought I'd share that with you, see if it helps you, or you think it's total rubbish, or you might know it already, but I thought it was a really good day and I really enjoyed it. So if you get a chance, go to the Amazon meeting shows that they're doing right now. Okay, well, thanks very much, and I'll see you on the next one.